Sign up for my free ukulele course with the link down below. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another tutorial. If you guys want to check out my other Billie Eilish songs, you guys can check it out up there. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do. So let's get started with the chord. So the first chord that we're going to use is a D major 7 to an E, then to a C sharp minor 7, and then back to a D major 7. Okay, and then so this D major 7, it's interchangeable. You can use a D instead if it's easier. So you can go, the chord progression for this is D major 7 to E, then to C sharp minor 7, and back to D major 7. But you can also do D to E to C sharp minor 7, back to D. Whatever is easier to you. Alright, so an easy strum pattern is just using a down up strum. So for this example, I will use the D major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then using the D, it's the same thing. Picking pattern that you can use, I'm going to use the D as an example. So it's going to go. So I have the tabs on the screen, you guys can follow along. And the pinky. Back to the D, and it just starts all over. That is how you can play this song. So thanks again guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like, and check out my new free ukulele course. You can check out the links down below to get that. Alright, see you guys in the next video.